the numbers is right. The numbers is right with this being a trade-in and everything. So hopefully, because if it does that weird shit again, I already know what it is. All I need is a battery. But it's like, bruh, after 1 year, gotta change the battery out. Come on, mind you. So before y'all get in the comment section and say this and say that, I replaced the battery a year ago when we first got the car. That's when I replaced the battery. So it shouldn't be having issues like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, but other than that, man, the motor's cool. CVT transmission, yeah, if you know, you know. Do I recommend this car? Yeah, if you're on a budget. I wonder what happened to the Honda that was right here.
I don't know.